plus root 2 and minus root. What are these?
Zero.
What are these?
Zeros.
Zeros are given. But in this formula, there are 4 zeros are there. There are 4 zeros. 2 to the power x to the power 4 means biquadratic polynomial. What is the formula for quadratic equation? General formula ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. The roots are x minus alpha into x minus beta. Here what is 0? Alpha is plus 2 and beta is minus 2. Therefore, what is the factors of? Their factors of write down factors of quadratic polynomial are x minus alpha into x minus beta. Here alpha is root 2 and beta is minus root 2. If you do a plus a square minus b square formula, this is a minus b or a plus b square. X minus 2, tell me, x minus root 2 into x minus x plus root 2 into x minus root 2. X plus root 2 into x minus root 2. Now what is a square minus b square is equal? What is the formula? X square minus
root 2 square. Root 2 whole square. Minus root 2.
what? Direct tell me. Root 2 into root 2? 2 only. What has it formed? What is this formula? Quadratic equation is your formula. Quadratic, then here what is given now? See, this biquadratic formula is divided by this quadratic formula. You can get remaining zeros. X minus 2 into division. Tell me, what is the p of x? P of x is equal to what is that? X square minus 2 into tell me what is the p of x? P of x is equal to 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of cube plus
minus
3x square plus 6x minus 2 to the power of 0. This is the arrangement is the powers are in whole numbers only. That's why the equation is in a correct arranged way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the whole numbers of the powers. Now take first term. What is that? Take first term x square. First step 1. What is that? Take this first term and this first term. 2x to the power of 4 by x square. What is remainder? What? X square and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2x square. 2x square is remained. What is there? Quotient has, isn't it? Quotient has 2x square. Then take this 2x square and multiply total this divisor. 2x square into x square, how much? 2x to the power of 4. 2x square into minus 2, how much?
Minus 4x square.
Minus 4x, where can we write? Minus 4x square. Here x square is there. That's why you should write under the minus 3x square. Then write change the signs. Change the minimum and signs. Here invisible plus is there.
Minus.
That's why minus. Here
Plus.
this minus will become plus. Then this minus into plus cancel. Just download 3x cube download and here what is plus 4x square minus 3x square, how much?
Square.
Plus
Plus x square.
x square is we got. Then Download this 6 plus 6x. And now take this first term and again take this first term of the second step, second 2 minus 3x cube by 3x cube by x square. What is remainder? 3 minus 2 x power of 1 and minus 3 is remain. This is minus 3x minus 3x minus 3x. Multiply this minus 3x, is it? Minus 3x into x square, how much?
Minus 3x cube.
Minus 3x cube. Again minus 3x into minus 2, how much?
Plus 6x.
Plus 6x, here should be right. Here plus 6x, write down here, the power is 1 under the 6x only you should write. Next change the minuend signs. Minuend, this is minuend. Here minus will become plus and here plus will become minus. This is cancel. Download x square minus next download this minus 2. Minus 2 is download into minus 2. Then take this first step, third step. X square by x square is equal to how much? 1 by 1 is equal to 1. 1 is the, what is 1? Plus 1 or minus 1?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Plus 1 is equal to, what is that? 1 into x square, how much?
X square.
X square 1 into minus 2. Minus 2, then change into plus 2.
Minus
plus
Cancel
into get remainder 0. Now you will have to find this from the zeros,
Quotient.
from the quotient.
2x square.
2
X
x square minus 3x
3x
plus
plus
1. What is here? Leading coefficient is 2. What are the factors?
2
2
into
ones
1.
2. 2 ones 2. 2 into 1 2. Then 1 2s 2.
1 plus 2.
1 plus 2 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Write down
2x.
x and x. Write down x and x. Write down parent this right. You should write this sign. Second sign you should write. Next you should
X
write
minus 2,
next result. Next 2 you should be greater. X minus 2 x minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2. Next minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 2. Then what are the zeros? Zeros are, what are the zeros? Zeros are x is equal to 2 and 2 1. Already what are the zeros you know?
Root 2 minus
Root 2, third one is root 2 and minus root 2. These are the 4 zeros of this 4 y-quadratic formula. 4 zeros. So we get to 4 zeros. 4 zeros. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Write down.